I'm Right 67, dude.
At least let me introduce the episode.
Okay,
No.
it's episode whatever. I'm Right 67, dude.
I'm Mr. Chubby Monkey. Ha! I
I
said it
am
second.
Silent Mr. Dave. And the last guy.
Oh, that's me.
Nudge, nudge.
I am Rai67, dude.
Not the right line.
We did that
Oh.
bit already. No.
Oh, my bad.
It's
I am.
5 times.
It turns out I'm actually Tom S. the Voice, or you could just call me Tom.
Ooh,
Okay, better.
sexy.
I like to call him S.
I like to call him my
you
bitch.
rebel. What was that? What was that,
What?
punk?
I don't know. I don't know what I say. I don't know what I
Save
said.
it. Save
I
it.
couldn't hear. Why don't you see a little closer to my knuckle?
I like the part where Silent Mr. Dave leads
Okay.
this
Oh
one.
my God.
Oh, really? I did not know. Okay. And the magic word is
Abracadabra.
after this commercial message. See,
Would you like to buy more
I said-
condoms? Too bad.
I do.
Too bad the screen is starting.
I said scene. All right, court's now in session.
All right, Judge. Listen, I'm going to... All right, listen, defendant Manny. I'm going to defend you if it's worth risking my life for.
Yeah.
What a wasted talent you have there. A talent defending someone who's clearly guilty.
Don't listen to him, Manny. I know that you didn't. What do you think you did?
They're trying to say that I killed some guy, but I totally didn't
You
do it though.
totally didn't kill that guy. So, I'm going to testify...
Please.
I'm going to testify for him.
Order in this court.
God damn it, Judge.
All right. Will the defendant please sit in the seat of justice?
Sit in that seat, you naughty bitch.
But I was like already sitting down.
Sit.
Should I move
Now.
seats or?
Sit.
Okay. All right.
Okay, the defendants can now pass. The defendant's lawyer, that's what I meant.
All right. Is it time for me to give my testimony?
You may go.
Well, look at this guy in the face. Jury, stare at him for a prolonged period of time. Do it so long that your eyes boil out of your brains. Does he look like someone who could kill someone? The answer is no. He just isn't. Because you see, most people think, oh, he killed that guy, and oh, the knife had traces of his DNA on it, and oh, the note that was left had his handwriting.
Oh, this is gonna be over sooner than I thought.
Hey, Judge, can you kick him in the balls for me?
I cannot
You'll do no
that.
such thing.
Well, you're not supposed to talk during my testimony. So shut up!
Well, I don't hear you saying anything worth
Well, let me get to
listening
it! God! I swear, this shit didn't happen To Kill a Mockingbird. Anyway, so, most people think, oh, he didn't do it. But listen, I have myself some proof. A doctor's note saying,
Like
Dear,
that.
Dear whomever it may concern, the carrier of this author's note, who is Manny, was busy being at the doctor because he had gingivitis and totally didn't murder that guy with that knife. Are there any questions from the prosecutor?
Yeah, well, no, but I'd like to point a few things out. First off, why is it written crudely in crayon with many misspellings and grammatical errors? And two, why is it in your handwriting? Well, actually, that is a question, but shut the fuck up and answer.
Well, you see, you might notice that this handwriting is in fact in crayon and in fact has a number of misspellings and in fact is written in my handwriting. But you see, that's because I have used a cloning machine to create the Dr. Baby version of me. Not Dr. Baby version of me. Yeah! See, isn't he freaking adorable?
Your Honor, his cuteness and adorable pinchy little cheeks have nothing to do with his doctorate. The thing's a baby after all. What's to know
Are
it's
you
even
going
a
to let
reliable
me
source
finish,
of...
you slap monkey?
How dare you call
So-
me a slap?
So, let's talk to the defendant. Defendant, what are your thoughts on this Dr. Baby clone?
He's a pretty good
Your
doctor,
Honor,
I
I'm-
must say.
Hey,
Hey,
completely
hey,
irrelevant.
Hey,
Tom,
hey,
Tom, Tom, Tom,
hey,
Tom,
hey,
Tom, Tom, Tom,
hey,
Tom.
Order
let
in
me
this
talk.
court.
Let me talk. He's a good doctor. I've been going to him for about a few days, months, year. It's pretty cool, you know. He gives me, nice checkups and stuff. Very, very classy. Stinks a lot.
Yes.
Usually.
And how effing adorable is this baby?
Very actually.
Your Honor.
I'd say. He's
So how adorable?
cute.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Oh no, definitely past it. Like 11.5.
Your
I
Honor,
rest my
this
case.
baby is no more than a 6.7.5.
What?
Objection overruled.
Well,
Oh,
never.
what now? What now? You just got overruled. I don't know what you're gonna do because you just got overruled. Word.
Okay, it's time for the prosecutor to pass. Please sit down.
Join me, Manny.
At long last, I get to put an end to this. If you don't
Dr.
mind,
Baby in the house. Dr. Baby,
Yeah,
rock your
you know
face.
what?
Dr.
You
Baby
know what?
in the house.
Punch you in the
Dr.
face.
Order.
Can we
Calm
please finish
yourself.
our rave?
Better calm yourself with that.
Okay,
Sorry.
enough, Manny.
This is my court. Let's just remember.
Now
this
then.
is my court. If I say rave, then you rave.
Oh, you said rave. No.
I did.
Okay.
I'm
You
joking.
better watch yourself, son.
Oh, for God's sake, can I please put an end to this trial?
You may go.
I have what is clearly, indecisively, the greatest evidence in my case, and the only one I need to prove that Manuel is in fact the killer.
Objection,
the
Your Honor.
merciless.
He's clearly a cyborg by the connection problems that's going on with his microphone.
What?
Objection overruled.
Fine, continue
Thank
your
you.
testimony.
You're not the boss of me. Manuel, at the scene of the crime, in his previous testimony, stated that he had an ice cream cone. With what flavor was that, Manuel?
It was the chocolate. No, pistachio. It was definitely
yes,
pistachio.
yes.
Pistachio.
Yes, you said it was chocolate and pistachio. Well, I hope you like your ice cream with an extra Bloody Mary! Behold, evidence number 2.8378895. The ice cream from the scene of the crime with pistachio, chocolate, and blood.
Objection, Your Honor. Bloody Mary is not an ice cream flavor, but it is an alcoholic beverage. And Manuel is under the age of 21 and therefore cannot
For
drink.
God's sakes, it's a metaphor, you fool. I'm saying he had blood. There is blood here, and we are getting the DNA test results within the hour.
Objection, Your Honor. This is a court of law, and any artistic speech is incredibly overruled and stupid.
Exactly. You can't put me behind bars because of a metaphor. We are
I
using
make the
dash
rules.
Oh
outs.
in
my
this
God, I'm
court.
surrounded by idiots. Within the hour. Could be the next minute, could be the next 35 minutes, could be at the end of the hour. Look, the point I'm trying to make here is that these results that will be coming in will define whether Manuel stays here within our society or goes to get prison raped in jail.
Manny, put away your gun.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, what is that? Oh, come on, John, look at that. I don't even need the DNA results if he's gonna pull out a gun.
It was a toy gun.
Well,
Exactly.
let-
We had no
Still,
clue that he was going to
silence
pull out the
in
gun
my
and
court.
shoot the judge before he could call him guilty and put him in jail.
Silence.
Then I would
Mr.
get the money.
Silence.
No, that's not how
Silence.
it works.
Silence.
Exactly.
It is time for
His
me
name
to
is
speak.
Silent.
Shh. So, both parties have put out their evidence. One has a cute baby, and the other doesn't.
Don't I think the baby's gonna win for us?
Tom, do you have any more evidence?
Well, would you look at that? Look who's at the door. Hey, I'm, my name's Doctor, and, I heard you guys need a little bit of, DNA test example. thing
Objection,
of
because
above.
look who's walking in the door right now.
Hello,
This
everybody.
is the doctor that did the DNA test. He
Let
just
me-
said that.
But who's behind him?
Hello, everyone. I'm Doctor. I'm in charge of the doctors who look over DNA, and this one is absolutely false.
Hang on a second. Boss, what are you doing here? I told you I had this under control.
I'm sorry, but you can't bring in false witnesses. God.
But I'm not a false witness. I was specifically I was told by this guy over here who's the prosecutor to fucking do the
Listen,
shit
do
with
you,
the
do
DNA
you want me
shit.
to break your fucking skull? Do you want me to break your fucking skull?
No, man. I'm cool.
Then
Wait,
get
hang on
out.
a second. Wait a minute. Don't you take my witness away. Look, I can't do nothing. He
Watch
knows
me.
where my family lives.
Exactly.
Exactly.
But But the evidence!
Manny,
Give me
pull
that.
out a
Whoa,
gun on
hold
Tom.
Here, I'm gonna show you the evidence right now. I have it in my
Manny.
hands, and no one's
I
gonna
have
get
it-
away.
Hey,
Guys,
Tom, good luck with that. You have a gun pointing to your head.
Well, I'm going to die releasing the truth. The
Nope.
DNA results are as follows. The blood that was found on the floor is, dodging the bullets as I say it, belonged to Eric Tweezledick, a clown from northern Chicago.
That's a funny name.
Yeah, totally. I mean, yeah,
Whose
to-
DNA
Eric
test did you get?
did it. He
Oh,
did it.
wait.
That guy.
Did you need it for... Oh, you wanted the one at the scene of the crime. Yes! Yes, I did! Oh, I got that weeks ago.
Okay.
And what was the results?
Dave, you need to silence
it
this
was
guy.
the dog. What? The
Dave,
dog
you need to silence
killed
this
him.
guy. Dave, silence him. Dave.
Whoa, hang on, wait.
Judge,
no,
he needs to
listen.
be quiet. Judge.
Wait, no.
Perfect. Now,
But
Judge,
he was about
give
to
the,
say what it was.
Judge, give the verdict.
He just said about a
Judge, give the
dog.
verdict.
It's obviously. I don't think they're just there.
All
I don't
right.
think that is-
Where's the judge? I don't know.
I am here.
Oh, there you are. There he is, the judge, who will give us the verdict.
Well, apparently the judge died of a heart attack.
It was a rather soft one, too.
Quickly, Manny, shoot up the place.
Hey, wait, no! I knew he was guilty of
Scene. That's the scene. That's the scene. It's a real shame that Dave died.
I'm sorry to hear that Dave died as well. He made a very good judge. He had that cool demeanor about him, like, all rise, motherfucker. He had that
He
thing
was all
about
like,
him.
"Hey, you better not mess up my court or else."
He'd be like, bitch!
Or else there gonna be some problems up in here, baby.
That's
All right. Oh, Dave's back.
And then there was Patrick Warburton.
Although, dude, your connection turned cyborgy. Just as a heads up, Tom.
What happened?
Your connection turned cyborgy.
Damn it!
Well, anyway, this has been Name Still Pending. It was another long one because we had Tom in it. Tom just really seems to like extending our NSPs. Which
things.
are you taking that as a sex joke, Manny?
I'm sorry. I didn't
Dave,
mean
you might
to
want to stop
extend
recording before I
NS
beat the
penises.
crap out of someone.
Just heads up that my sentence was gonna be rave for life.
Now I really wish we hadn't shot up the place.
Yeah.
All right, thank you for watching. That's
Patrick Warburton.